Sometimes we want to assign values from a list to multiple variables, which is called unpacking of a list. For unpacking, we need to have the same number of variables as the items in the list, neither less nor more. However, in the case of more values, we can pack the remaining values in a single variable. We can pack using the asterisk operator before the variable. This will generate the list for the remaining items. We can use it on any variable. However, we cannot use it more than once. It can have a single element or no element at all. We can unpack a string as well. But remember, it will always returns a list, not a string. We can unpack any other iterable object as well. Even though we can use it with a single variable, we should always use a simpler notation. If we use an asterisk without assignment, then instead of packing, it will unpack the list. What this will do is put each element separated by a comma without the list, which is same as passing values individually. We can use unpack to pass arguments in any function. This will create a range object with parameters 1, 10, and 2. We can unpack to create a new list as well. We can unpack strings. Or any other iterable. This video is part of a Python tutorial series. Click here to watch the full video and click here to watch the full course. Thanks for watching. See you next time.